Hi guys, today I thought I'd give you an introduction to noodling. Noodling is the easiest and cheapest way for beginners to enhance or begin a coin collection. So I hear you asking, what is noodling? Noodling is when you go to the bank and swap cash for heaps of rolls or bags of coins in a chosen denomination or a mixture of denominations. I tend to get a variety, so I don't get bored looking at the same coin all the time. The aim of noodling through coins is to find something that doesn't belong, like error coins, low mintage, or other coins of value. Then once you have collected the good stuff, take the leftovers back to the bank and start all over again. In my next few videos, I will noodle through some coins and try and show some examples of what to look for. But for today, I want to show you some of the tools that help me with noodling. Firstly, you'll need to go to the bank, ask nicely, or get the bank to order them in for you. Here we have a roll of each coin we have in circulation, from the 5-cent through to the $2 roll. I usually grab more 20-cent and $1 rolls, as this is where I find the most value. A good light source is essential. Seeing all the details and dates is critical. Before beginning, I like to open the rolls onto a towel. This protects the coins, removes some of the clanging sounds, and makes it easier to pick up when finished. When going through the coins and you see something that doesn't quite look normal, it's best to have a magnifying glass. To look at the finer details, this to me is the most important tool to own. Sometimes you come across a coin that feels thinner or underweight, so it's important to have a scale. This scale measures in points of grams, which is important for getting accurate weights. This scale is very cheap to buy off eBay or from your local coin dealer. Once you've noodled through a roll of coins, put them in a strong bank coin bag. Ask your bank for one or two. I personally, when taking coins back to the bank, I don't count the coins that I'm returning to the bank. I count what I've removed and kept from my original starting balance. Returning the coins to a bank that has a coin counting machine is the best and easiest way to return, and it certainly makes life a lot easier. I hope I've been able to share my passion of noodling with you today, and you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.